Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to batch rename your files as well as print out a contact sheet for your assignment. So we're going to do this in Bridge. Open up Bridge. You're going to navigate to your folder. Hopefully you have a shortcut over here on the left hand side, and Holly Johnson is my test folder. So navigate to your folder and to the assignment where you have transferred your pictures. And today we're working with the first assignment, getting to know your camera. Open up that folder and find your particular pictures. Now, to batch rename them, we're going to select all of the pictures. So I'm going to click one time on the top image. I'm going to drag all the way to the bottom, hold down the Shift key with my left hand, and click the bottom image. This will select all of the items. Now I'm going to control click or right click to make the menu pop up. If your menu does not pop up when you right click, then hold down the control key and click, and you should get this menu. We're going to rename these files something that we can recognize later. So select batch rename. If your menu does not look like this, you can change it by adding over here. You can add a section or take away a section. The first one, you want it to say text. So there's a menu right here. Make sure you select text. And in the first box, you're going to write the assignment, which is GTKYC. In the second, you want it also to say text. Write your last name. And in the third box, you want it to say sequence number, right there. Always start this at 1. All right, now click rename. And it will rename all of your files in order using the text that you assigned it. Now we're going to print out our contact sheet. We're going to go over to Output up here at the menu. So it's going to rearrange things a little bit. What we want to do is, again, select all of the pictures, or actually 20. If you shot more than 20, we're going to select our 20 pictures for this assignment. Click on the first one and then hold down the Shift key and click the last one. Now, I only have 18 items in my file. Hopefully you have 20. Go over to the left for Output. Make sure PDF is selected. For template, make sure 4x5 is selected. There's a whole bunch of different things you can select. Make sure you've selected 4x5. All right, leave all of this. Should be right. Quality 300, preset page, international paper, that should be okay. Come all the way down. This all stays the same. Make sure the View PDF after Save, make sure that box is checked, and then click Save. It's going to ask you where you want to save it. You need to be very careful where you're saving it to. You want to make sure you're saving it to your folder. If someone else's folder gets highlighted over here on the left, which happens all the time, you won't be able to save your file. So make sure you are on your file and in the assignment file right here. All right, so I am in the assignment file, and I'm going to call it Contact Sheet GTKYC Johnson. That's my pretend last name. So this will be easy for me to find later if I have to search for it. Then click Save. This is your contact sheet. This is a sample of all of the pictures you took for your assignment. And you're going to print this out and turn it in with a rubric. To print it, you can either click here, but I recommend going up to the File, Print, and you should have a printer called Photo or Photos. Make sure that one is selected. I don't have any other possibilities, but make sure you have one selected that says Photo or Photos, and then click OK. This tells me that it's printing. I can click on this to check the status. Oh, it's already printing. I can hear the machine going. All right, so that is how you batch rename and how you print your contact sheet. Watch this video a couple times and then go ahead and try it yourself. Good luck!